Come on. The cups are sleeping. Wake up! Your dreams haunt my wake. There, in secluded cloisters, in the coolness of the separate, you are protected. Little children you are, though with no innocence you are. Your truth echoes the truth of those who raised you, with their landscapes and intellectual greediness. Wake up, you children, you young, no need to grow up, as we are doomed to see lesser days. And whilst you obey, your dreams hunt my wake, terrorizing generations that eventually will not rise. Wake up, or let us sleep. The Cotswold stones want revenge. Their origin you lost, their light you stole. The cups are sleeping. Slit their prickly throats like thunder cracking a stone. Let the tames clean the dirt as with tears and rain. No trace will there be, no trace.